Hi everyone, my name is Kunal Gola and I am excited to present our project ClickEngine for the Fraxtal Hackathon 2024. We are Chain Bros and we have developed a revolutionary no-code open source game development software that leverages the Fraxtal chain for secure and seamless transactions. Game development is often complex, time-consuming, and costly, especially for indie developers or small teams. Building a game from scratch requires significant technical skills, resources, and effort. Additionally, integrating secure transactions and digital assets into games can be a daunting task, further complicating the development process. Introducing ClickEngine. Our platform is designed to democratize game development by providing a full-featured, no-code open source solution. With ClickEngine, you can build games for mobile, desktop, and web without needing any coding skill. What makes ClickEngine stand out is its seamless integration with the Fraxtal chain. Whether you are creating an asset, minting NFTs, or managing in-game transactions, ClickEngine handles it all with ease. Let's dive into the demo of ClickEngine. First, let's understand its architecture and then we will dive into the demo of the application. The ClickEngine core library provides essential tools to implement the ID and manage ClickEngine games. Our game engine GDJS is written in TypeScript and uses Pixie.js for rendering powering all ClickEngine games. ClickEngine JS bindings. The ClickEngine JS bindings integrate core, GDJS, and extensions into JavaScript, utilizing WebAssembly for efficient performance. And then a new ID, the game editor. New ID is built with React and Pixie.js, providing a robust environment for game development. And last but not the least, the extensions. They add objects, behaviors, and new features to the game engine, enhancing its capabilities to produce various unique games. ClickEngine seamlessly integrates with the Fraxtal chain, enabling you to create and manage NFT assets, execute transactions, and even sell your games on ClickEngine Store. This was the GitHub repository of our project. Now let's move on to the demo of the project. This is the homepage of our project ClickEngine. Homepage consists of some of the assets which a user can buy using Frax Ether, and these are some of the previous projects I made during the testing. It has three pages: the build page, the shop page where I can see all of the assets or templates which anyone can produce and sell on the marketplace. And then we have the game marketplace where anyone can sell their games and define the number of users which can buy them, and multiple users can buy these games. Now let's move on to how to use this ClickEngine to produce our own unique games without coding. As we can see, I am already connected with my MetaMask wallet to this project, and we can see that I have 0.955 test ether in my account too. Now first let's try to create an asset, and then we will try to create a game, and then we will test that game. Let's start by creating an asset. For creating an asset, we are going to provide it with an image. We are providing it with a PNG image. It will get uploaded on Pinata IPFS. We will give its name, some of description, and we will decide on a price. Let's say 0.03 Frax Ether, and then we will click on create NFT. And a transaction appears. And we have to pay 0.025 Frax Ether, which is the listing fee I have decided for listing any kind of asset on our platform ClickEngine. We will confirm this transaction. Our transaction is pending and it will take some time to confirm. As we can see, our project reloads as the transaction has been confirmed. And now we are able to see our penny asset on the marketplace. Now we will try to buy this penny using a different account and we will use that in our game. Let me change my account. Now account 1 is active. For creating a game, we will click on create a project. We will create a new project on our ClickEngine cloud, or we can also choose don't save this project on cloud. We can also make it on our local system, but it will get destroyed if you refresh the page. We will start by creating a desktop and mobile landscape project. As you can see, this is the game editor. It has various functionalities such as the file, the view, the scene, where we can also add events, the events page, the size scene page. We can add objects. We can also add object groups. We can also add behavior those to those objects, effects to those objects. We can open the instance list panel, layers panel, or we can also toggle and edit the grid, change the editor room, and much more. Now let's start by adding first buying our asset that we published on the marketplace using a different account, and then we will use it. On clicking on add a new object button, this new object dialog box appear. We will choose asset store and we can buy an NFT from here, or we can also upload an image which we have, or we can use it as a sprite. But I'll show how to buy an NFT first. I'll click on the buy button. Our transaction will appear. I need to pay the amount decided by that owner of the NFT, that is the 0.03 Ether, with some gas which is being calculated. I'll click on the confirm button. The transaction has been confirmed. Now we will look in the dialog box. As you can see in the dialog box, the NFT has been removed from the marketplace and we will be able to see that NFT in our My NFT page. We will click on Explore Sprite and NFTs. This pop-up will appear where we can import images and NFT. We can import an image and NFT using from a file, local system, or we can give a public URL, or we can choose one of the NFTs which I have bought using this account. I have two NFTs which I bought using account. I'll use that penny. I'll click on the add to the scene button. The project resources will be imported on the project in the cloud. And now we can also add behaviors, variables, or effects on this NFT. I'll try to add some behavior. Let's try that this is a draggable object applied. Now we will try to apply some effects. Let's try an 2D effect. We can change its color, background color, outline color, that is the draw and outline around the rendered image of red color. Let's say of thickness 9. We will apply this effect. Now we will try to insert this image in our editor. Now this asset is in our game. It is a draggable object in our game. Now let's try to share the preview, share and preview the, let's see the preview of this game which we have developed. Let's go for browser preview, HTML5 and preview. The backend server is running to produce a preview of this game. And as you can see, another tab opens. Here we will be able to see the preview of this game. As I have told, this is a draggable object and it has a effect of red outline. Now we are completed with a game that is called Penny Game. Now let's try to publish this game on the marketplace. There are various other functions such as publishing a game from desktop as an Android, as an iOS. We will also integrate various other features. Now let's click on downloading the exported game. We will download the complete game. The game has been downloaded. The name is game1.zip. Now we are on the home page. Let's try to publish our game. For publishing our game, we have to fill this form. We will first need to choose the file, that is the zip file that we have just downloaded. We will publish this file on the Pinata IPFS. Then we will choose a thumbnail image. Now let's choose this as thumbnail of the game. Now let's upload this image. I'll put the name of the game, that is Penny the Horse, some description and a price. Let's say for 0.0, 3 ether, Frax ether. I'll publish this game on the marketplace. Loading will start, a transaction will appear. I'll click on confirm transaction. It will take some time to confirm the transaction. Our site is reloading. We will go on the play section. And here we will be able to see that our new game, Penny the Horse, has been uploaded on the marketplace where anyone can buy it and can play it from here also. Using my second account, I can showcase that I have already bought one of the games and I can also buy the second one. But instead of buying that, I will showcase here we are. This was my first game. It is a draggable object and I can play this game directly from the marketplace after buying that game. So this is our complete project, which uses all aspects of the blockchain, starting from NFTs to transactions and to the gamify and DeFi concepts. In the future vision, we have also planned various things such as partial ownerships of the game, staking on the gaming platform, and also making the gaming assets inside the games convertible to the real world assets and tokenizing the real world assets to come inside the game. Our vision for ClickEngine is to empower creators of all levels to build and monetize their games effortlessly. We aim to lower the barrier to entry in game development, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. By integrating with the Fraxtal chain, we ensure that all transactions within the platform are secure, transparent, and efficient. As we move forward, we plan to expand ClickEngine's capabilities, add more extensions, and continue enhancing and integrating with Fraxtal ecosystem. Thank you for the project. Thank you for watching. If you are excited about ClickEngine as we are, join us in revolutionizing game development. Visit our demo project and let's create amazing games together. See you at Fraxtal Hackathon 2024.